Uh-huh. Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Yeah. Listen. Check it. Let these bars give you an introduction. Tracy's sweet touch protection when she touch it. Hey, baby, you gonna love it. And I'ma spit this verse and give you a summary of it. Jewelry so sparkling, she touched it. Craft so dope, she touched it. Case, Casey, cause she touched it. Abracadabra rest, oof. Estella fabulous. Make no mistake, craft arts and cakes. She creates and creates and shifts from the Great Lakes state. Set a spark, contact her today. Passionately intrigued, our love is on this way. Hey, I know what it is.
Passionately intrigued.
That's right.
She's a sweet touch production.
Estella fabulous. Hey, let's go. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right now.
Estella fabulous. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, hey, come on. Yeah, y'all ready? Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey,
Whoa.
she dope. Yeah. Woo, sweet, sweet touch. Yeah.
Passionately triage, Tracy sweet touch production. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Y'all wasn't ready for this. Hey.
Da 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 da
Passionately
da.
intrigued arts. Yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is Tracy. Today I've got to do some laminating. My nephew, Jamie's son, and another nephew, and my 3 sons want their programs laminated. Well, I got a new laminator last week because we had to laminate pictures and mine broke. The one that I had for some time. It jammed and curled up the pictures and it just went wrong. So I have a new Scotch laminator that I got from Amazon, and it came with, I got a good deal, and it came with 100 sheets of the laminating paper. Well, this laminating paper, the laminating pouches, let me get that right. It's 8.9 by 11.4. So, you know, the program is large. And I'm going to have to cut it in half and put it in 2 pieces. So let me take you down so we can get started. I'm going to use my Fiskars paper cutter, and I believe I got this some time ago at Walmart if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to line this program up in the center and hopefully cut it right down the center so that I can laminate each side and put it together some kind of way. Oh, that came out. Hold on. I swear, every time you do a video, there's always some type of glitch. Anyway, I got that back in, and I've got this centered, so I'm just going to slice down the middle. Close this up and get a laminating sheet. Pouch. It's called a laminating pouch. Set this inside, and I kind of want to put it close. Let's see, this is going to be the middle. Yeah, I kind of want to put it close to this edge over here so that I have room for hole punches or staples on this side. Line that up, fit it in there real good. Ooh, that music is ugly. I might need to turn that off. Sheesh. Sound like elevator music. Turn it down. I turned it off. Okay, I got that one in. Let me pull up the laminator. And this is the Scotch. Let me turn it your way. This is the one that I got. Anti-jam. Because the other one jammed on me and froze up and curled up my pictures. And we tried to take it apart and it just wouldn't work. So I'm going to let that. I thought I had it on. Of course I didn't. So let me let that warm up for a few minutes. It only takes a couple minutes to get hot. Okay, let's see if it's hot enough. The side of the laminating pouch that's closed is where you stick your paper into. This is the side that you feed into the laminator. So you feed through the back. And if it's hot enough, it's going to take it through. Yes, it's taking it through. And this is the front side. This is the inside, but it's the front of the program. And I've already placed the back side of the program into a lamination sheet. So, laminating pouch so that I can just run it through when that one gets done. And this one works pretty good. I haven't had any problems with it thus far. The other one I did have for several years, probably about 4 years, so I guess it was time for another one. And I refused to buy a large one because I can do that on my heat press. But I wasn't even going to try and do these on my heat press. So there's this one. Came out good. And I left this edge so that I can try to put the two pieces together. I need to do 5 of these. I'm just going to do this one while I'm recording, and I'll do the others off camera. So that one's done. Oh, they're pretty hot when they come out. Now let me move this out of the way. And I'm going to place these two together so that I line them up with this clear edge right here. And off camera, I tried to, what did I do with that one? I don't know where it is. I tried to hole punch and it just would not let me punch through this plastic. So here's one I did already, and I tried to hole punch, but it just would not work. So I had to use staples. I don't have a regular hole punch. I have this one. That little thing didn't work. I have this one, which is not really a hole punch. I think this is for my, what do you call those things? You know, those little circle things that you put in clothes for holes, rivets. I tried this, and it's got all different sizes. It wouldn't punch through the plastic. I can't find my just regular hole punch, and I thought that would work. So, this is what I'm going to do. Put these together and staple. How about that? Works for me. And I'll just put 3 staples in it. And you know me, I don't just like the staples, so I have this ribbon, curling ribbon, cut some pieces about 6 or 7 inches, and just gonna slide it up under the staple, even it out, tie a knot, and curl it. I would have liked holes, but I'm not going out to get a hole punch and I can't find my other one, and it might not have worked either. So I'm just going to knot this like so. Take this little knife and, you know, curl it up. Just a little some touch. Slide this one through. It should slide easy, it should. But you know, because I'm on film, it's not. There we go. Even it up. Tie a little knot. Tie a little knot. And curl it. Okay, one more for this bottom staple. Now they want these laminated because they want to keep them in the car with them. Jamie's son, he wants to keep it in his van, and then my son, Donnie, lives in Florida and he has his in the car and he says it's curling up. So I'm gonna laminate them for all the boys. Not all the boys, 5 of them. My 3 sons and my 2 nephews. Ta-da! There we go. And you can open it up and it should be just fine. So I'm gonna do the others off camera. I did this one earlier and I'm gonna keep this one because I tried the hole punches and it looks just a little raggedy. So I'll keep this one. I'll do 4 more off camera. Thank you for watching. I hope this was short enough. I try not to make it too long. I appreciate you. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. If you have, I appreciate you and thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you would do different or how you would go about this process. Do staples look okay? I don't really care for them. But leave a comment. Hit the notification bell so that you can continue to see the upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love. I'm out.